the, so to grab it, go up.
Hey, close your eyes. Get ready with the brake.
Don't floor it. Just get your momentum and keep the pedal going a little bit.
I put my passenger tire on that rock. Came up right through the middle
I was
there.
going to say, that's before. That's how I've done it.
Those scars on that rock, part of them came from me.
You just kind of walk.
Yeah.
Like that.
Yeah. And then cut it
Right. Yeah. Hey Robert, your doors match the rest of the Jeep now.
You gonna do it again so I can get you?
I will.
You'll crawl right up. That was just too easy that way. And that's what I'm saying. It seems like it just